Hi viewers, in this video we are presenting JAO purpose, materials part of U, economic ordering quantity, that is called as a EOQ. EOQ is very helpful for decision making for materials purpose. So however, we are here giving clear explanation about EOQ. This is one of the important decision making area. The purchases department decide about the number of units of each type of required raw materials to be purchased at a time. For this purpose, it has to be considered two important groups of costs. They are ordering or acquisition costs and carrying costs. Ordering costs are those costs which pertain to the acquisition of materials. They are the costs of placing purchase order. Usually these costs are constant per order irrespective of the number of units for which an order is placed. Buying in large quantities therefore ensures lower unit cost materials from one point of time to another. Rent and insurance of storage, interest on capital blocked, clerical costs, costs of pilferage, normal loss, risk of obsolescence, etc. It is necessary to for most economic size so that the aggregate of ordering costs and carrying costs is minimum per period. Economic order quantity is therefore the optimum or the most desirable quantity for which purchase order should be placed every time when the material are to be purchased. So, for the calculation purpose, EOQ are four types of methods. These are algebraical method, graphical approach, tabular approach, cost comparison approach. However, in the JO and materials decisions purpose, algebraical and graphical approaches are very important. So, in algebraic approach, EOQ equals to under root 2 into annual usage into ordering cost per order by unit purchase price into carrying costs as a percentage of unit purchase price, that equals to EOQ equals to under root 2a by PC. Here U equals to annual usage or requirement, that equals to number of units of a material required for consumption during the year. Next, A equals to ordering or acquisition cost per purchase order. P equals to purchase price of material per unit, and C equals to inventory carrying cost per unit as a percentage of unit purchase price. So here one explanation also giving: the inventory carrying costs and the ordering cost for a company having been computed to be 15% and 24 rupees per order respectively. If the annual requirements of an item having unit price of rupees 10 is 1200 units, calculate the quantity to be bought, optimize total cost. So here annual requirement of the U equals to 1200 units. Ordering cost per purchase order A equals to 24. Unit purchase price equals to P equals to 10. Carrying costs as a percentage of unit purchase price 15%. Then EOQ equals to under root of 2 UA by PC, that equals to 2 into 1200 into 24 by 15% of 10 rupees. Then that equals to 57,600 by 1.5. Then 38,400 units. Then remove the under root, that equals to 196 units. All the best.